Welcome to the GESDA Summit interview series, and today we are with Peter Brabeck, Chairman of the Board of GESDA. So this year, it marks the launch of the Open Quantum Institute. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, I mean, you know that when we started with GESDA, we have always said GESDA doesn't want to be only a think tank. GESDA wants to be a do tank. And during our first summits, we had identified that one of these breakthrough science innovation is going to be quantum and quantum computing. And we have also seen that quantum and quantum computing is concentrated, its research, its development, in the hand of some few private companies and some few countries. And there is an implicit danger, like we have seen in other technological breakthrough, like social media, that if we do not assure from the very beginning that this technology is open to all people of the world, we will get into a concentration of power that goes far beyond what is healthy for humankind. So that was the reason why in the second summit then, we proposed to the summit that we should create an Open Quantum Institute. And after deliberation with the summit, we came to the conclusion, yes, everybody agrees. I mean, we had in the first summit 10 countries which agreed. We had the big companies which agreed. We had 12 universities. So we started to work during this year now to really incubate it. And it also became very clear to us, and this was also part of GESDA's strategy, that the GESDA will never afterwards run a solution, that this has to be embedded into somebody else. GESDA will have the idea, it will propose a solution, it will incubate the solution, it will look for the financing of the solution, but it will then hand over to somebody else. And we were very happy that the CERN in Geneva was willing to host the Open Quantum Institute. So this is a major breakthrough, because in 3 years since we have started to work with GESDA, we have a concrete solution and put it into place.
So the Quantum Institute is a major advancement for GESDA. What others can you tell us about? This is the third summit, and there have been quite a few progress, quite a few breakthroughs.
Yeah, we have a pipeline now of different solutions. I mean, like always, the process is very simple. We go, first of all, through the science breakthrough radar, which is a summary of all what is happening in the laboratory. Out of this, we then confront this with the diplomatic forum. And with the diplomatic forum, we are starting to identify what are the biggest issues and what can be done. I would say what can be done in a relatively short period. Because if GESDA would produce its first result in 10 years or 15 years, I don't think it would exist. GESDA needs to prove that it really can deliver. So we have a pipeline today. The next project, which we already have announced, I announced it in my opening speech, was an open curriculum for diplomacy and science, or science and diplomacy, which we are elaborating with 2 universities from Switzerland, but also from other universities around the world, where we are going to have, as I said, a global curriculum, university curriculum, for something which doesn't exist today, which is this open diplomatic society. And we have also the financing. Wellcome, the famous trust, is a financing partner, so it will be powered by Wellcome. So that's the second one, which is already a reality. And so we have another 2, 3 in the pipeline.
I thank you very much for all of your explanations today. Thank you, Peter Brabeck, and good luck to GESDA.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.